What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Just a little venting right now, you know. So I'm scrolling through my Facebook, and I see a guy that I've known for a long time, and you know, we were good friends, you know. I mean, over for the holidays, and you know, had going out having beer, and come to find out, this guy, he thinks that VLM is better than hot water extraction. I'm like, what the? I thought I knew this guy. I mean, VLM is better than hot water extraction? How do you believe that? I mean, I thought I knew this guy, and all of a sudden and then I find out, I mean, the guy doesn't even like spaghetti. I mean, who doesn't like spaghetti, right? You know, I thought I knew this guy, and he's supposed to give me a call, go out and have a beer, whatever, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just delete his Facebook. You know, I mean, I'm furious about it. You know, I'm not gonna answer his call either. I think I'm done with my friendship with him. As far as family too, you know, my family doesn't want to agree with me, then you know, I don't need them either. I mean, isn't that silly? Isn't that really silly? What I just said right now is very silly. I disagree with somebody over a method of cleaning, which one we think is better, right? Somebody thinks VLM's better. I think hot water extraction better. Basically, we just want to get the furniture clean or the carpet clean, and we kind of disagree on which way is best to do that, right? But both of our intentions are to do the best job for our customers. You know, that's basically our intentions. We want to do the best job for our customers, so we're doing what we believe is the best method. Isn't that kind of familiar of what's going on today with the election? You know, with this whole 4 years. I mean, with politics in general. Politics, I'm not a political person, and I'm not going to even talk about who I believe is the best choice. I voted, and that's all I can do, right? Let it land where it lay and deal with it. If you're planning on building a life, or you're building a business, you got a goal, don't let anything detract you from that. So a lot of people are saying, oh, now if this happens, life's just gonna be pretty much over as we know it, you know? Which, come on guys, really? This isn't the first time we've dealt with adversity. We keep getting better and better. My opinion, these last 4 years is the worst, but that I've ever known. But trust me, there was a lot worse before this, okay? So what I'm trying to say is, what we need to do is just realize that our opposition only disagrees on what they think is better for us in general. Now, granted, there are some people that are more in it for a more selfish reason, but basically, we're just disagreeing what we think is better for our nation. So why is it that we gotta have this tension and unfriend each other and have awkward moments with our family on the holidays, and it's just basically what we're watching, okay? If you ask anybody what their political stance is, right, and then ask them what they're watching, then you're gonna understand. Because if you never look up, you're always looking down, you're never gonna know what's up, right? So a lot of people are just focused on one, say, information source, news source. So they don't know, you know, all they know is what they're being told. So whatever the outcome is, guys, you know, we just gotta improvise and live with it. Hope for the best and keep pushing. Because you do your part by voting. If you didn't even vote, you got no reason to complain. So you did your part. Wherever, the dice lands, we have to just keep on pushing. That's what we did as a country from the beginning. Deal with adversity. I mean, there's places that today that are in horrible living circumstances. People just keep living and smiling. Okay, so as far as if your guy doesn't win, it being an end of this country as we know it, let's hope not, but I highly doubt it. All right, so I got a video coming up today at about 3 o'clock. Check it out. We're back to the cleaning. Just want to do a little venting and a little reality check on what our mindset is nowadays. It's pretty ridiculous, okay? We all want the best. We just disagree on what is the best. No reason to go to war with your fellow, your friends and family and stuff like that, your loved ones, over what you think is best. I like spaghetti with eggs in it for breakfast. A lot of people think that's disgusting. I enjoy it. It ain't gonna stop me from liking it. All right, we'll see you in the next one.